everyone, it's Glory. Welcome back to the Glojoechannel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful ruffle hairband. Not only do they look very cute, but they are easy and quick to make. And the best part is you can use any colorful fabric you have laying at home to make this ruffle. Let's get started. Take a piece of fabric, cut 20 inch long and 4-inch wide. So if you don't have your tape rule, you can use a ruler. It's still the same thing. This 20 inch, then 4-inch wide. You shock it and take it to the end. Now we've gotten our strip, which is about 20 inch long and 4-inch wide. Before proceeding any further, you need to iron it so that it will make our work easy. So since I don't have electricity supply, so I have what we call iron stove. So this is what I'm going to be using to straighten out my fabric. Face the strip with the right surface up and then fold it into half. Fold it into half. Next, give a straight stitches close to the edge like this. This is the stitches. Well, I'm sewing it right now. In case if you don't have sewing machine at home, you can use thread and needle to do this as well. Make sure it's at the edge. As you can see, now the next step is take a safety pin. Attach it to one end of the tube, then put the safety pin inside, then take it to the end of the tube this way, just keep dragging it until it gets to the end. So you bring out the right side out. Once you're done, remove the safety pin. So as you can see, we have a tube. So what we're going to do next is fold one of the tube inside, one of the edge inside. Then you iron it. one end folded inside and pressed, and this other hand unfold and unpress. So now we'll take our elastic, then we'll take 8 inches long, 8 inches, 8 inches long, then you cut it out. So you take your safety pin again, attach it to one end of the elastic, you take your tube, insert the pin and the elastic together into the tube, and take it straight down to the other end. Just keep pulling until it gets to the other end. So the elastic has gotten to this other end. So you pull out, remove your safety pin from the elastic. Then you shift it and tie both ends of the elastic together. As you can see, I tied it twice. So shift the elastic inside, pull the elastic inside. This other hand is tied, pull it inside. The elastic is covered. Now you take the unfolded edge, which is this one, inside the folded edge, like this. Folded edge has covered the unfolded edge. The next step is take a needle and thread. Stitch the both edges together, which is this. Make sure you pick the other edge as well. Stitch round. So with the help of the needle and thread, it has helped us to close the both end. So now our ruffle is ready to be used. So this is all our ruffle that has been made. Ruffle is ready, so you can use it this way. Let's put it into so. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. So ladies, stop using rubber band. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Comments in the comment section. Bye.